Hello, good morning, Sathiyo. I want to discuss today about Dewey engine. About Dewey engine. I am going to discuss about Dewey engine. Okay. Sathiyo, I have Dewey engine, maybe many engine I have, Dewey product. And this is for Atlas machine engine. Now dismantling, ongoing. Our champion mechanic, both are. This is working and dismantling ongoing. And dismantling ongoing, both are. And after that, we will search problem, maybe dismantler. After that, we will decide what happened inside, and we repair this engine. Mister, what happened?
ये ओवर हीट होने के कारण
Yes.
इसको हम लोग चेक कर रहे हैं कि क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम है, रिंग पकड़ लिया है, क्या हुआ है, ओवर हीट हो गया है, नहीं कंप्रेसर से ऑयल फेंक रहा है।
Okay. Blow by pressure.
ब्लो ऑयल प्रेशर
Too much blow by pressure. You mean too much blow by pressure. Okay.
उसके बाद चेक कर रहे हैं, चेक करने के बाद आप लोगों को बताएंगे क्या।
Okay, no problem. Maybe find out, maybe piston ring has maybe stuck inside. Also,
ओके
maybe piston ring, piston.
ओके दोस्त,
Okay, साथियों, look. ये inside में यहाँ, this is inside also a head bolt inside. This need to plunger, and this is injector line. This is holder also need to remove out. Looks. After that, we can reach their head bolt inside. There is head bolt. All need to remove here head bolt. After that, head will be took out. Remove out head. Engine is very good engine, and this engine made for this engine Germany, Dutch company for Germany engine. And this part is this area also is a hydraulic pump coupling. There is connected hydraulic pump fixing. Also, when you pump fix hydraulic pump, also look to check. This also need to inspection. This is loose. Maybe this is a loose. Immediately this is broken. I had faced many times. This is broken, and a replacement. I had replaced new one many. Also, this line is pilot pump. Like someone calling this is a servo pump, pilot pump. This is many people say many calls this. I don't know. Also here look. Here also the crane mounting is changing ongoing. This is a crane mounting. Crane mounting got damaged. Look, this crane, mobile crane mounting, leaf spring mounting has gone broken, badly damaged. This is also change ongoing. Okay, साथियों, I will make another video after this engine is complete. This engine is complete dismantle. I will complete dismantle. After that, we will make another video. What will be problem? We will find inside. After that, I will discuss with you. Okay, guys. Bye. Have a nice day.